how to use Google AI Pro to upload your next YouTube video quickly and easily. Let's imagine you're a content creator and you want to streamline your video upload process. Here's what you can do. First, I'll show you a couple of settings on your YouTube account. You have channel status and features. As your YouTube channel grows, what will happen is you'll have feature eligibility, but you can set upload defaults, whether it is basic info, visibility, certain tags, or advanced settings. So instead of redoing them while you're uploading the video, you can take care of that by setting it as your channel upload defaults. So now let's imagine you're a YouTube content creator and you've got Google AI Pro. That means you have access to Gemini models, some Pro models, and so on. Here's what I do. Let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine this is the next video that's going to be uploaded to RankYa YouTube channel. Okay, so with Gemini you can create gems. That's what I've done, and I'll actually make this available in the video description. So this is the gem that I've created. Why? Because these are repetitive tasks. So instead of me doing this over and over again, I'm just using Google Gemini to help me with it. So now let's press on that because that gem is set up. Let's say that's the title. And if I press that, yeah, many things are already set up for me. So instead of me typing these, I can quickly and easily copy paste. Looking at these, okay, that to me looks better. So now right click properties for your video. This is before you upload. Subtitle is already done. Copy and paste that in there. Tags, I'm using Windows operating system. Yeah. If you're new to video optimization, this is what I do. Yeah. To what degree does Google use this? Some of these, I know it uses the file name. So before you upload your video to YouTube, make sure you provide a meaningful file name. If the video is about this, then the file name should be that. So now let's continue with the comments. For that, what I've done is, okay, let's copy this. I made a template on my desktop. I say Google AI Pro. How-tos and walkthroughs. Year, that's important. Publisher in my example, it's this. Surely yours will be different. I have a website, so if you do have a website, you want to put that author details. Let's press apply. So now the video file itself has been populated with some properties. This is before I upload this file to YouTube. So now let's do something like this. Let's start the upload process. Select the file, which was this one, correct? Let's upload. You will see the importance of that file name. As you can see, that file name is already known to Google, as in YouTube. Google owns YouTube. YouTube also has a search feature. So now that's the title that closely matches the file name. The description is already here. Now what's smart for you to do, depending on the type of videos that you're creating, surely, if you have a website or Facebook or Instagram, surely you can put links there. But in this example, for this particular video, it's actually smart for me to grab this URL and say, to learn more about Google AI Pro membership, visit, or I can say family sharing to see, you know what, is there a Google Help section? No, that's just a comment. Okay, it's still taking me here, so I'll just leave one link in the video description. To learn more about using Google products, visit this here, or even I can put a link back to my YouTube channel. So I can do that if I want, or I can link to a particular video if it complements this particular video. How about upload file? Since you are with Google Pro membership, then now you can use Flow using an advanced, higher models if you want. So it's better image, because thumbnails are absolutely important. So you can prompt it, create a meaningful thumbnail image by prompting Flow. Once again, you can use Gemini and say, okay Gemini, you know what, while we're here, create 2 image AI image generator prompts for this video. Right, so this is how I use it sometimes. Not sometimes, but for using Flow for images, I actually use Gemini to speed up the process. So instead of typing things here, I use the tools available. So now it's gone ahead and created the thumbnail, right? But that's no good. I want the prompt. So now gems can become helpful. I can create a gem and say, when I say a title, create an image prompt. It's a prompt for the AI. So then let's go back, because I actually do something different. So if you have access to certain tools, because now this will be an original image. So now, what was that? Google AI Pro. That's Gemini AI plan. Okay. Okay, I've quickly created this. So thumbnails are absolutely important. So remember that. It doesn't matter what tool you're using to generate them, whether it is Flow, whether it's Canva, it doesn't matter what it is. Just understand the importance of it. And you can always create playlists to group your YouTube videos. It's only intelligent for your channel visitors, because that you can manage on your home screen. You can edit your sections through your channel settings or pressing this link here. And go to Home tab and add new section or arrange them according to your channel. So this video is about Google AI, so let me select that. It's important that we understand these. In my example, no, RankYa YouTube channel is not made for kids only. Let's look at this. Brands. For myself, I don't like to select either one. For the brands, select brands. I don't want to select any. Altered content. In my example for RankYa YouTube channel, no. If you want to understand what this is, I've got tutorials simplifying. If you're creating videos, let's say outdoor, let's say you've got travel videos or so on, then places will become important. Because this is a simple how-to walkthrough, I select no to that. Now comes the tag section. Google AI Pro thing, where was it? It was here. These are the tags. Tags are important. We don't want to overdo it. These keywords are important to a degree that it's related to the video. As you can see, everything works together. Now, video language, yes, I speak Australian English with an accent, obviously. Recording date, this one I think I've just recorded today for this particular video tutorial. Allow embedding, publish, subscribe. Okay, I'll leave that. As such, RankYa YouTube videos are copyrighted, so I select this here. I don't like my videos to be remixed, but surely shorts are important. You get a lot of views because people like short form videos on YouTube. For my case, I don't want people to remix my videos. Let's select next. I'd like to monetize. It helps me to maintain the channel. Press next. I must submit. Select none, because these are absolutely critical. Because once you submit it, it's submitted. So for my videos, none of these apply. I can submit rating. Next. End screens, I'd like to have them because it's proven that all these help. Yeah, if you've got shopping set up, you can tag your products. Subtitles, well, in today's world, YouTube is highly advanced when it generates captions automatically. So I don't want to waste time with that, but surely if your channel has diverse audience, speaks different languages, and you can speak different languages, then perhaps you want to add subtitles. Recently, they've introduced this ad quiz. For my type of videos, for this one particularly, no, you can play around with it. Ad cards, you can play around with it. Because some of these will be ideal depending on your YouTube channel, and some of them may not. Let's press next. All the checks are done. Let's press next. Unlisted, let's make it public. Publish. So what have we done? I know I went back and forth, but if anything, trust me when I say to you, what I've shown to you in this video session, you're not gonna find these insights on other YouTube channels. Now you may think, why is that? Well, because I'd like to test a lot of things, and what I've shown to you works. So now, let me wrap it up. Since you are a Google AI Pro subscriber, you have access to higher models, as in better models. Your gems will help you to save time. So, as I've said, I'll make this available in the video description for you to use for your YouTube channel. When you create your video, before you upload, simply use your gem and say, okay, that's what the video is all about. Let this Gemini help you to speed up the process for video optimization. It's a search engine optimization for your YouTube video. So then you right click on Windows. I'm sure you're using Windows, but if you're using your smartphone to upload, it may be better to follow these insights using your laptop perhaps. Title should closely match the file name. Describe the video, add some tags. Simply copy paste from your YouTube helper. Because I'm making this video session for you, it's probably going to take 5-10 minutes. But if I was doing this, it would only take me perhaps 2 minutes to do all this. So then tag it, date it, because date is important. Why? Because people search date-based search terms. If you've got a website, put the URL there. If you've got a YouTube channel, obviously you have, put the promotional URL there. And now that video file, which is MP4 format, is optimized. Then you begin your upload process. And then go back and forth between Gemini. As I've said, you can create gems to help you to create video thumbnails. Video thumbnails are absolutely important. And then that's it. Upload, follow these insights, and watch what happens to the growth of your YouTube channel. Let me prove the point while I've just made this video, right? Watch now. I'm just gonna search because I've just published the video right now. Let's search. Look where I am. Right? So that's number one in what? Instantly, in 3 minutes. That's the power of RankYa expertise when it comes to website optimization, YouTube optimization, search engine optimization, and understanding how Google products work. If you benefited from this video session, please do share it or give it a like. If you've got any questions or comments, use the video commenting section. Subscribe to RankYa YouTube channel for more mastery tutorials for you to grow your YouTube channel. I thank you for learning with RankYa, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.